Okay, breathe. Yes, Chick Babes, Lux Babes, and Fur Babies. So, yes. So, you may see me celebrating, popping that champagne first. That's right. So, happy Monday. So, we are going to do an Amazon unboxing. And you all, okay, y'all see that Prime, Amazon Prime. And you all, I am so excited to get this package. And y'all are going to love it too. You are going to love it as well. Those of us that's doing our skincare routines, oh yeah, taking care of our skin, taking care of ourselves. This is going to take our experience to another level. Okay, so I am so excited. I want to make sure y'all can see it. Okay, what do we have? What do we have here? Dun, 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 dun. Look what we got. Look what we have. So what we have here, let me bring it close. Okay. Yes, that's a facial steamer by Nano. Hot Mist Facial Steamer. I am so excited. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, so, and this was $59.99. Yeah, $59.99. Okay, and okay, user manual. Okay, and it also shows how to clean it. Okay, I am so excited, and I do my skincare every single day. Okay, here's a brush. Comes with a brush. Okay. Yes. Let's see what else. Take it out easily. Okay, so we have the brush here. Brush. And okay, so let's see what the best way to open this. I don't be liking to like just rip things open, but I guess I will be ripping this one open. I love this bubble wrap. I love this bubble wrap. Okay. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful morning. So I got up early this morning and started taking care of business, started shooting content on my Instagram. Y'all know I'm an early bird. I got up early. Well, I got up at 2 a.m. And of course, I did my altar work. And I'm going to sit right here. And after my altar work, yes, I started shooting content on Instagram. Okay, so look. Oh, okay, it has the wings. let me turn it around. If any of you have one of these out, if any of you have one of these, y'all let me know what your experience have been with this. I'm sure this is good quality because I paid a good price for it. Okay, you always get what you pay for. Okay, and this is, I am so excited, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Okay, and this is the suction. Okay, we'll put it together later, but I just wanted to do the unboxing. But this is the suction part that where all the steam comes out. Okay, where all the steam comes out. And let's see what these little, I don't know what these little thingies are. When I'm putting it, well, I don't have much to put together. Let's see. Okay, now, okay. It says, how do you clean the steamer? Okay, so this is used to clean your steamer, everyone. Daily cleaning tips. Make sure the water tank empty and let dry. Monthly cleaning tips. Just fill the water tank with 1 spoon vinegar and 400 milliliters of distilled water. Run the steamer until to heat up to steaming temperature and stay about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Unplug and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Dump out remaining mixture or mineral deposits. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna hang on to this. This is a card. Okay. Tells you how to clean it. I am so excited. And then this is, yeah, this is the usual user manual right here. So excited. So let's see what it, of course it has, it's not that difficult. We'll put it together later. But of course it has the functions. I love these functions here. Move this out of the way so y'all can see the functions. Okay, let me bring it close so y'all can see the functions. Okay. That's Coco just went under there, y'all. Okay, so this is steam. Okay. On and off. And then you have the ozone on and off. Okay. I am so excited about this. Okay, this is the maximum. This is where you put your water level at. Okay. So this brand, it says, well, it says up here, Kinlito. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. My IG is JACQUELY. Let me back up. JA.CQUELYN4. And then also our brand IG is chick, CHIC _ baby, BABY _ and AND _ fur baby, FURBABY. So I have 2 Instagrams. And also follow me on, let's see what else I have, on Threads. Okay, and I'm JA.CQUELYN4. TikTok, Zion is right here, Locks, ZION ISRAELLOCS. And on Pinterest, I am Jacqueline Dorinda Chic, the same as on YouTube. Thanks, babes.